morning, guys. So today I thought I would film a summer day in my life because I haven't done one in a long time. I don't think I've vlogged since like last year, and it's 9:12 a.m. Got up extra early because my mom and I are actually gonna go to a museum in, I don't know exactly where, I think Malibu. And if you don't live in California, then I will show you around. So as I said, I'm getting ready to go. Wait, did I even mention where I'm going? Okay, well, I'm going to the Getty Museum with my mom. We're gonna spend most of the day there, so I'm gonna take you guys along. Yeah, so today should be super fun. I'm gonna take you guys outside my house for once. So we are getting ready to leave because it is quite a drive. So let me show you my outfit super quick. My room is really messy right now, so just don't pay attention to that. Here's the outfit. So this top is from PacSun, and yeah, I styled this in one of my previous videos, so you should check that out. Focus, why isn't it focusing? Skirt is from Brandy Melville. Yep, really cute skirt. So for shoes, I don't really know what I'm gonna wear. Probably my Nike Air Forces, I don't know. But hopefully I do a good job of vlogging in public because this is not my strongest thing to do, but I'm really trying. Who knows, maybe I might not even upload this video. See you in the car, probably making a montage because that's all I do. So bye.
Now they're going this way. Welcome to LA. So go ahead and drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Taking that off me. I got the blood, I made the cup green. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on.
As you guys saw, we have made it to the Getty after quite a while.
Look at this view. Whoa, this is so nice. Oh. Where'd you?
I'll get it for you. Welcome to my crib. So we made it out of the building. Now we're going to the restaurant that's here.
Why does it look like it's nobody here?
And then after we're done eating, we're gonna go to the outdoor garden and continue our adventure. Made it to the cafe.
Here is our food. We both got different things. Got some tacos, rice, and we're gonna share this cucumber salad. This bomb strawberry iced lemonade.
Try it. I should have gotten that instead. It's like a slushy. It is a slushy.
And here is our beautiful view of some pink flowers.
Made it out of the cafe, and now we are going to the garden.
Which way do we go? That is where we want to go.
Very nice, very nice, very nice, very nice. Update, it is a while later now. We're here for quite a while. We were here for a while, and now my feet really hurt, and it is very hot. We are now leaving.
Oh Oh my god, guys. So I am literally watching this clip all over again. I don't know if you can tell, but I was just getting super duper annoyed because I was trying to talk to you guys, but obviously didn't work out because there was this lady right next to me and she was laughing super duper loud, like you guys can hear it, and I just got so annoyed, so I had to cut it short. So basically that was the end of this video. I know I'm so awkward on camera in public, just trying to vlog in general in public, and that's something I'm going to try to work on, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry. Anyways, the Getty Museum is one of my favorite spots to go to. They have artwork, architecture, and the beautiful views and the gardens, and I mean, you guys saw, I tried to show you a little bit of everything. Last week I forgot to do a shout out. I filmed that video like 2 weeks ago in the span of 10 days. Yeah, so that was all over the place, but this video isn't. So today's shout out goes to Ruth. I'm not even going to try to pronounce your last name, but yes, thank you so much for watching my videos and for commenting. Also, stay tuned because there's such an exciting video coming soon. Like, y'all aren't ready for it. Definitely stick around. Bye.